Okay, so today's video, this is the rocket and we have to go all the way to the back to outside of the universe. And we have one there on the top of the rocket. Okay, so what should we do? Let's go up. This one is actually a bit glued to the background. Haha. Let's go. It's making me upset. No. 1,000,000 light years. So we have it all the way to the observable universe. There's a black hole there before the universe. And that is the largest black hole named 10618. So you don't want to go to that black hole. Or you have to go back to the start again. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the moon is there. Oh, we're reaching 1 trillion meters. Oh, is that Jupiter? Let me go there. Whoa, I'm upside down right now. So I'm upside down. Oh, Saturn. I see you, Uranus and Neptune. Oh. Beside them, there's dwarf planets. Oh my god, the Kuiper Belt asteroids. I gotta go out of this. Finally, 10 trillion meters. Let's go even more. About 100 trillion meters. Wait, I gotta go to court. Oh, one idea. For Proxima Centauri? Oh, there might be some more stars. That's a lot of stars. Oh, there's a lot of stars. Oh my god, I'm upside down. Oh, the Earth is so far away. Now I can't see it anymore. Oh, 1,000 light years. Gotta go. Oh, is that the Andromeda? Wait a second. The black hole! Is that the black hole? No. I don't like black holes. No. Wait. It's black hole. No. Wait, that's 10618, the largest black hole. No. Oh, stop that. I'm not going to the black hole again. Universe! We outside of the universe! Yay! And we win. Second, it's gonna be too laggy. We restart again. So please like the video and subscribe.